Okay, now we're going to tour the exterior. This is the driveway leading up to the house. Plenty of parking. You do have some extra parking down here for a boat. You can fit an RV down there. Extra vehicles. This has a 2-car garage. These steps lead down into the park area. There's the extra parking. This is the back side of the house. We're going to go around the other side first, though, up to the garden area. Everything is on irrigation, all automatic timers. It's just a path down. This is the side yard, part of it. This is the door to the office. This is the side yard. All right, so this goes around to the back side of the house. This is the garage bathroom door. Plenty of space out here for seating, entertaining. That leads into the living room. This leads into the sunroom. Then we start down onto the second deck. Huge area for entertaining. Could put a barbecue down here. Table. This home also has extra storage underneath. Plenty of storage. Okay, now we'll head down to the pool area. Okay, so that leads up to the parking area, the secondary parking. This is the pool equipment. There's changing rooms. This is the pool area. Large pool. Outdoor shower. Plenty of decks. So you can see the house up there. We'll take you onto the, I guess you could call it the sky deck. So this is also part of the property down here. There's some additional walking paths. Okay, onto the sky deck. This leads down to some more walking areas. We have a deck out here. We have light all over the place. There's the remaining acreage. Runs down to about that path there. It's not anything that needs to be maintained. It's just natural. On a clear day, you can see the ocean straight through here. You can see the Carlsbad smokestack, actually. It's not a clear day on the coastal side, but get the gist of it. It's pretty beautiful. Especially when it's a clear day. You can see all the way to the ocean. Pool's about 6 feet deep in the center, and then shorter on the sides. So it is a good pool for some volleyball and pool play. Back onto the paths. So over here we have what I like to call a yoga area. This overlooks it's a great place for a table, a little serenity. Take the rock path. Down here, more views. Nice space for entertaining. You can see this is a park-like setting all the way through. This home was actually landscaped by botanists, and they planted everything in regions according to the world. So in the center here, this is fruit trees, apple, a little bit of citrus. So there's regions here from Australia and Asia. We have a nice long flight of stairs going back up. Again, we have lights all throughout the property. It's beautiful at night. This is a large citrus tree. This is oranges. Oranges again. And then up here we have avocado. These do bear fruit every season. We have a greenhouse. This is a key lime. Some more avocados. And then got the raised beds. This is a lemon tree. This is how it looks up here. This is the high side of the house, the lot. This is a macadamia tree. Get thousands of them every season. This is back around the side of the house. This is where the office side was, if you remember. This leads down to the koi pond. So the koi pond does run. It's not on right now. Do have some fish in there. Frogs in the evening. And the steps lead back down into the park area. So there you have it. Sandhurst Way. It's Casa in Las ROCAS in Hidden Meadows. Asking $3,900 a month in rent. That includes basic landscaping. Contact me if you're interested. Travis Breton, Rise Realty, 760-470-2752.